In this video, we're going to look at a method for multiplying polynomials. There's lots of different ways to multiply polynomials. One of them is FOIL. However, FOIL only works if you're talking about two binomials. I'm going to show you a table method. I think it works really well, keeps everything nice and organized. And it's also pretty quick. So we'll go through one example here together, and you can find additional, well, actually two examples. You can find additional examples in the later videos. So I'm going to show you how you could use this on a problem where you could do FOIL. What I'm going to end up doing is making a table. And I'm going to put one of my polynomials across the top and the other one down the side. Now, it doesn't matter which one goes where. The polynomials don't have to be the same size. It really doesn't matter which way you do this. So I'm just going to put the 8x and the positive 4 on the top. So we've got a positive 8x and a positive 4. And we also have a 4x and a negative 4. And I'll just put that one down the side. So if I'm multiplying these together, what I'm going to do is just fill in. And I've got 4 spots here that I'm going to have to fill in. So for this first spot here, I'm going to take 8x, multiply it by 4x. That's going to give me 32x squared. My next spot right here, I'll be multiplying 4 times 4x. That's 16x. Down here, I'll be multiplying 8x times negative 4. That's going to give me negative 32x. My last spot here, I'll be multiplying positive 4 times negative 4 to give you negative 16. Once I have the table filled in, then all I need to do is combine like terms and write out the resulting polynomial, and that'll be my answer. And the nice thing about tables is often happens that you'll see like terms sort of lining up across the diagonal like that. So we've got those two we can combine together. This 32x squared doesn't combine with anybody, nor does the negative 16. But our final answer here, we're going to have 32x squared. If I combine that negative 32 and the positive 16x, we're going to get a positive 16x, and then we also have minus 16, and that'll be our final answer. So most of you will probably just stick with FOIL or FACE or whatever method you've learned for multiplying binomials. For trinomials, though, and above, this method makes things a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and do this next one. I'm going to put the 8x squared plus 2x minus 8 across the top, and the 2x and the positive 1 along the side. Now there's no rhyme or reason to that. I just felt like doing it that way. I could have put the 2x plus 1 across the top and the trinomial down the side. Doesn't really matter. And then I just have to go through and multiply everything out. So everything in this row is going to get multiplied by 2x. So we'll have 16x to the third. We'll have 4x squared. And we'll have negative 16x. And this row we'll be multiplying everything by a positive 1. That'll give us an 8x squared, positive 2x, and a negative 8. So again, you're going to see stuff kind of combining on the diagonal. And then we just need to combine our like terms. So I've got a 16x cubed. We've got an 8x squared and a 4x squared. That's going to give us 12x squared. We got a negative 16x and a positive 2x. That's going to give us negative 14x. And then there's a negative 8 here as well. That's it.